MoeTheDriver, dangerously undermedicated.
Got a B5 Hellcat here belonging to Mr. Kassler, and of course we got the Viper. All right, so, and we got March Challenger representing, of course, SRT6. How many of these you guys seen? There's not too many of these. Funny, look at this. Looks good, looks good. You got the Mercedes logos down there. Mercedes logo with the carbon fiber inside. Look at this nice Scat.
SRT though. Here's another Scat pad.
Back. Finish my rear before I go to the front. SRT8 mag. Gotta love the SRT8 Maggies. Got another RT here. Hey man, I gotta make sure I get everything. Like the stripes. It's like my favorite part. Oh, is he hiding out? What's up, Tanner? You at church today or something? There's always something to do. Gotta pick and choose, right? And another Hellcat just pulled up. This is Rob Griffin's Scat Pack. Oh, it's pretty nice. Check this one out. This is nice. This is actually an M6. It's a nasty sounding M6 too, actually. Another Hellcat here. Some big meats. Big meats on there, some Nittos on the rear, 315s. 315s on the bad boy. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Got 315s on the rear, 275s on the front. Pretty nice. And we got our ZL1 here. This is our honored guest for the day. This car actually belongs to one of our members' brothers, so he brought that along. It is real nice. Real nice. What's he got back here? 305s in the rear. Yeah, that's nice. Eco F1s. Brand new. Still got the temp tag on it. That is a nice car. Look at that. I like that carbon fiber, man. I like how they do that carbon fiber on there. That's awesome. That's a good looking car. Look at the front of that. I mean, that shit looks. Shit just looks crazy. It just looks mean. Yeah. All right, go over here. It is Garrett's brothers.
Oh, Garrett.
Yeah. Yeah. He asked. He got permission from us. We said, go ahead, you know. So, get that carbon fiber hood. These rims, though. These Ferrados. Look at these rims. The big meats in the rear. The Nittos as well. G2s, 315. Yeah. What's up?
Hey, what's with all the cool cars in Howard?
This was the destination, man. This is where we decided to drive to. So we're 316 Modern Mopar. We're actually from Wichita. We're a Mopar club. There's quite a few of us, man. We all mostly Mopar products. Actually, it's all Mopar products except for that one ZL1 Camaro over there that actually belongs to the brother of one of our owners. We're a car club, so we cruise around all over the place, all over the state. We go all over Kansas. We actually go to Missouri, Oklahoma. We do stuff all over the place. So, but today Howard was the location that our PR representative chose. So Tracy wanted to come out here. So usually we have different people pick the location, and then we just cruise there, dude.
Perfect. If we go around and look, we won't ruin any shots.
Go ahead, man. Do what you want to do. Just don't scratch anything up. Nope, you're not ruining anything. We actually come all these different places just so people can come and take a look at them. And, you know, a lot of people haven't seen some of these before, except for on TV or YouTube or some shit. But
Are most of them manual? Because
no, actually, they're about half and half. Half manual, half. I think that's a manual. You can see the stick in there. This red Challenger's a manual. The Chargers don't come in manual, so the Challengers do. No, that's an M6. This is an M6. I think that's a 5-speed. That's a 6-speed. I think that Hellcat is a 6-speed, the orange one. So, Yeah, there's several.
The Hellcats, like, and a Demon is like 2 of my favorite cars.
Yeah, we have a bunch. We have several actually. There's a Hellcat there. There's 2 on the end right there. And then that silver one is also a Hellcat too. That one over there. So this is a Scat. That one, orange one there is. This one right here is. And the red one is a Scat.
What do you got?
That Hellcat on the end, that Charger, the white one. Yeah, we
What's the coolest thing that's ever happened in Howard?
Hey man, we try to get around in different spots. You know, we were hoping it was going to be warmer. You know, we just picked a date, and if the weather is crap on that date, then we have to roll anyway. You know, but hopefully it's nicer. And if you guys have any festivals or any kind of like a fair or anything like that, any kind of like bazaar or whatever, we show up and we'll park all nice and make it look pretty. The cars will be clean so everybody can, you know, your whole town usually comes out and start looking at the cars and stuff. So, and we'll open them up, let you guys sit in them and stuff like that. So, won't let you drive them, but
I don't blame you.
But it's pretty fun. We just kind of just cruise around. So we bring business to your local community, right? So we got guys in here that buying stuff. Actually, almost everybody is in there, so buying stuff from that little place. So, you know, helps bring some money to you guys. I got some cards in the car. It's actually just MoeTheDriver. It's really easy to find, but I got some cards in the car that I normally hand out. These fucking rims here. Should be easy to find. You should see my boy Paul on there. Yeah, he's pretty easy to find. So he's actually in the car. You just can't see him because it's dark, but he's in there.
If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.